Welcome to the Center for Machining Excellence. Excellence, excellence. Did you hear an echo? I think I heard an echo. More affectionately known as the CME here in Indianapolis, Indiana for Rego-Fix. We're gonna step inside. We got David waiting for us to give us a tour and a general idea of why they invested millions of dollars in this facility. I'll give you a hint. It serves as a vessel for all of these people to come together to learn about how I'm gonna create a product, because you can't do it with just one company. There's a whole bunch of companies that come together to make sure that you're supported, from software to cutting tools to work holding to tool holding and even machines inside showcasing the latest technology. So if you head inside with me, we're gonna go meet with David and learn a bit more, do a little walkthrough and see what it's all about. David, good to see you, my friend.
Nice to see you again,
yes,
Tony.
Sir. Thanks for having us in.
Absolutely.
I'm very excited for the first time for me to be here. I know you've been open a little while. You've been planning all sorts of events and get-togethers. The most important thing I think that you want to convey to everyone out there when we think of the Center for Machining Excellence is community coming together to work together to create greatness together.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So one of the unique things about the Center for Machining Excellence is the partnerships that we have here. So we have over 30 partners currently taking part of the Center for Machining Excellence, or CME as you might see it marketed as. And one of the things we like to do is think about the circle of life for manufacturing a part. So, you know, as a Rego-Fix employee, we sell tool holders, but a tool holder by itself can't do anything. I need to have the machining centers, I need to have the cutting tools and the fluids, the software, the measuring equipment. And that's what the CME is all about, bringing all of that together in one place, which makes it very unique and different than anything else that's out there.
Yeah, you've actually made some valuable points, because in my head, I think you can do a lot, but you're right. If I didn't have it for a machine, where am I going into? If there's not tool, work holding at the bottom, and we look around and we see all of these unique areas where people can, dedicate themselves to showcasing their products. Yep. Talk technology. I know you have rooms. We're going to walk by there a little bit. So let's take a slow walk,
Absolutely.
David. And I know we have an event going on right now. We have other videos where we're going to talk about that. But as a general understanding, why did you invest? Why did Rego-Fix invest so much into this area? Because you're right. I've not seen anything like this, unless it's a machine tool facility that is invested quite like Rego-Fix has.
Yep. Yeah. So if you look at kind of our goal is to one, bring everybody together, kind of like I just mentioned, but also to establish a place that we can do educational events. We can bring universities and technology schools in, because they get to see it all. They come in, they get to see all the different parts of the manufacturing process. We get to hold specialized events. We are working on an aerospace day that we're going to have coming up in the next few months, dedicated just to aerospace manufacturing and those types of products and materials. When they come in, they're going to get to see the machining centers that we're going to see in a few minutes. They're going to get to see all the other partners, and some of the partners that you'll see, as you pan around here, are specialized in special materials. And it's really nice to be able to pull people in and they can see them in one spot.
I know we're trying not to name drop, but I just was speaking with someone over at Greenleaf, a great U.S. company. You mentioned special materials.
Yep.
That's all they do. And then you got Gen Swiss right here that specialize just on Swiss machines.
Exactly.
And as I look around, both in this room, the room that's coming, and the one we're in, the one we just passed and the one we're in, I see a lot of Swiss companies. So it's very obvious to me, Rego being a Swiss company and partnering with Swiss companies. In fact, you and I had spent some time at Fraser. We've done some things with Micron Tool. We've done some things with Blaser, where I'm seeing the barrels everywhere, actually. It's a barrel right behind you. But it's really cool to see these other folks here as well to support U.S. manufacturing and local partnerships.
Actually, that's a great point. So one thing I didn't mention about the CME is we also act as an incubator for other Swiss machine tool companies. In the other room, we walked by a PL Lehman display, which is rotary tables, and a JKS display was behind us, which are the precision chucks. Well, those companies needed a footprint in the U.S., and they're using the CME as a launch point. So not only do we get to bring their customers in here to see their products, which they've actually installed some on our Kitamura machine that we'll see in a few minutes, but they get to have a home base and launch their U.S. operations. So kind of a twofold event. We didn't kind of covering that secondhand now, but I'm glad you asked.
Yeah, well, that's part of my job, you know. You know all the information. I just have to ask the questions. And to your point, we spoke with HWR yesterday, a young man named Derek who actually expressed the same thing when I asked him, what's the relationship like? What's the partnership like? And he said something very similar to what you just described is we want to have a larger footprint here in the U.S. This is a great place to bring people together, to have those talks. And so you're already doing the right thing, and it's coming out from the voices of others.
Exactly. I'm going to name drop a little bit. I'm going to stop right here real quick. So we actually have another machine coming in the fall, and that's the new Pressy-Tram machine. And this machine's also going to be the launch point here from the CME for Pressy-Tram. But what's unique is they're actually working with Micron already to create the demo that it will arrive with. So we've partnered two partners together so that when it arrives, our partnerships are all, you know, solidified and together. So things like that.
You said it out loud just now, but looking around, you said it silently with every partner that I see of all of these pieces going together.
Yeah.
It's very well thought out, I would say.
Oh, absolutely. And we're walking by Bloom here right now. You know, the Kern machines come with Bloom already, but we've also now done that on our Kitamura machine with the fourth axis from PL Lehman. So we've given it more flexibility, and it's nice. Kitamura can bring a customer in, show them a 3-axis machine, and what you can do with it. You can add that fourth axis. You can add all the different probing technology to it, and now take a regular 3-axis machine and bring it up a level, you know, bring it up another shelf on the production list.
Let's talk a little bit more about that, because we're getting ready to walk into an area that I really enjoy, and it's where you can have your conferences. It's where you can bring people together. It's stadium seating, for crying out loud, David. And you have a giant TV. You could host sporting events if you wanted to, but more importantly, you have 3 machines here. You said you're bringing in a 4th. There's a stadium seating for people to sit and learn, host conferences. Let's kind of talk about the mindset of having something in theory. We have all of these partners here. You have the opportunity for them to host their own get-togethers and their own committees. But now we're putting it into practice, right? You've made space for the machine. So we're not just in theory talking about what could be done. You've already mentioned we put Bloom in here. We put Lehman in here. We got Bloom over on the other side. I know that Jen Swiss is in the Tornos as well.
Absolutely.
So you're not just taking these theories, you're saying, you know what, let me show you how we can put it all together. I believe Solid Cam is on the Tornos. I believe Open Mind is on the Kern.
That is correct.
And so all of these, you're putting it into practice. Absolutely. Let me show you how you can make your shop better with using these high caliber companies.
Oh, absolutely. And part of that will come into, like we do the Aerospace Day or a medical event. We'll have different partners pulled in with tooling and fixturing, and of course the machines themselves. So we can kind of spread it out. Because there are things we can make on the Tornos, being a small Swiss machine that I can't make on the Kitamura or the Kern, and vice versa. So we were able to kind of spread out what we can make for the small shops or the Swiss shops all the way up into the high-end shops. So we have it totally covered with what's here in the front and then also the machine coming.
I want to talk quickly for in the future a little bit, right? Because while this is your experience, this is my first day here and I'm learning about it. There's some folks out there right now that might be learning about it for the first time as well. If someone wants to participate in this, if they see this video and go, oh my gosh, David, how do I get to be a part of this as well? What does the future look like as the evolution of all this?
So that's actually a really good question. It's something we are going to have to learn as we go forward.
Right,
I mean, to be honest with you. I mean, right now we've got 30 partners. And to me, it kind of feels like 30 is kind of the right spot. What we're going to do is probably create a waiting list, and as different partners grow and they leave or they come in or they don't have the budget to be here for the next year, we'll just add new partners and new synergies to the facility. We see a great partnership with all of our machine tool builders. I don't think these machines are going anywhere. We're getting lots of exposure with them. We actually have, the Kern here on the end. They are actually bringing a customer up to do their own workshop here at our facility in a few weeks, which is fantastic. Not only does it give us the exposure, but they get to use their machine and show it off for one of their customers.
I would imagine that thought process, if I'm any of your partners, would come into my mind regularly. I might not have, this is truly, we started this whole thing off with This doesn't exist anywhere else.
Correct.
And I've not seen it with tools or work holding or coolants or any of that kind of stuff here. So this will be quite a unique situation for everyone that they can dive in. I think that's probably my favorite part, if I'm being honest, David, is the fact that if I'm any said company that is partnered with you, I can utilize this space, utilize this room, just book some time with you and say, hey, we're bringing people in, whether it's any of the machine tools or that. I'm getting it a little long-winded because I get excited about it.
And it's already happening. We already have had 2 different events here from our partners where they've come in and they've used the machines to train their sales staff. So not only has it been, the auditorium filled up with their salespeople, they're running the demos, they're watching the cameras that are in the machines, they're learning about their tooling at our facility, and they're getting to see all of our other partners at the same time. So if it's a cutting tool, people, they may not want to see the other cutting tools, but there's work holding, there's coolant, there's other technologies for software. They're getting to see all this and getting to have that exposure. Let alone when we start having distributor events here. Most of the partners that we have work through distribution. And most of our distribution, it overlaps. Meaning I can bring one distributor in, and I might have 5 product lines I can train them in. How easy is it, or I should say how hard is it, to get distributors to come in for a 2 or 3 day event? That's money. We know that. You take a salesman out of the field, they're not making money at that point. But if I take them out of the field for 3 days and I give them 5 product lines worth of training, it's now worth it.
Yeah, that's
and
clever.
We get them all here.
And speaking of here, you're pretty centrally located.
Absolutely.
When you think about where in the country. So going back to your point about distributors, if I'm, let's say West Coast, East Coast, Southeast, Southwest, all of these areas, you're centrally located. So all distributors can come together and work on multiple. I mean, it all makes sense. It's almost like you really thought this out. It's almost like you're a Swiss company that plans for everything.
A lot of thought went into the building, what we're going to do with it, how we're going to use it, and how we're going to market it. I mean, it is a marketing tool. That's really what its primary tool is to market not only the Rego-Fix brand, but all of our partner brands in one spot.
Yeah, well, I appreciate your time today, David.
Absolutely,
You're
Tony.
Always a pleasure. Thank you for joining me on camera. Guys, if you have any questions out there, please drop it in the comments or go directly to the Rego-Fix website if you want to learn about maybe being a partner in the future or some of the partners that are here already and you want to learn more about them. This really is one of those unique spaces here in the Central of America where you can come in and say, I can learn about 30 plus companies together. Plus, Rego-Fix, you know them, you trust them. The power group is all over the country and they've continued to help you make that fine-tuned precision and very quick changeover in that fine-tuned precision work holding. So, thank you all for joining us. David, thank you as well. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Give these guys a buzz. We'll be happy to answer anything you have.